Hi everyone, this is Mizuki-sakun, and today I would like to introduce ADA's Nature Aquarium exhibition that was recently held in Tokyo Dome. The exhibition was so outstanding that I visited it twice, and today I'll show everything I learned and experienced within the two visits. I went on the 18th of September, which was 2 days after the exhibit opened, and on the 12th of November, which was 2 days before the exhibit closed. So not only will I cover the content of the exhibition, but I'll also show how the displayed aquariums changed after 2 months. We'll find out ADA's ability to maintain aquariums. By the way, just for your information, Tokyo Dome is located in the center of Tokyo, Japan. Without further ado, let's dive in. First, I'll quickly explain how I went to the exhibition. As you can see, I left the Suidobashi station, which is the nearest station to Tokyo Dome. I then crossed the bridge that crosses the river, and kept walking until I arrived to the dome. I headed for the gallery Amano, where the exhibition was held, and I bought my ticket. Okay, so as I entered, I saw a huge poster about Takashi Amano's quick introduction, such as the amazing and precious products and ideas he made. There was also an introduction about the suke creators who have worked with Amano and carried on his traditions since his death in 2015. As I set foot in the exhibition, the first picture I saw was this, the picture of the amazing 4-meter aquarium created by Amano. By the way, this aquarium is placed in Amano's house. As I moved on, I saw more pictures of aquariums. Next, there was a huge wall displaying a video that showed the inside of an aquarium. On the right side, I saw a picture of the aquarium placed in Sumida Suizokan. There was also the picture of the massive 40-meter aquarium placed in Oceanario de Lisboa in Portugal. By the way, I forgot to mention, but Amano's history was explained as well. He used to be a professional cyclist, and he used all his prize money for his hobby. He bought his camera he had been hoping to buy for a long time, and he then used it to take pictures of nature. He used to draw as well. His drawings are indeed fascinating. In his 20s, he launched the company Aqua Design Amano, but was struggling to maintain the company. He pondered every day on how to grow the aquatic plants. But one day, he noticed that carbon dioxide might be the key to do so. This amazing idea led to AD's major success. As you may already know, he visited places such as the Amazon to take photos of the natural beauty. The cameras he used were displayed. Okay, so going back, after I saw the pictures of aquariums, I saw a lineup of Amano's nature photographs. Okay guys, now this is the climax you probably have been waiting for. This is the colossal 360-degree paludarium. This huge tower, representing an old yet robust tree, not only conveys nature's pure beauty, but also lets the viewers experience a different world with a different time. I was completely absorbed into this world as well, for I was staring at this for nearly the whole time. Each tank, or should I say pond, underneath the tree represents the nature of specific regions, including Southeast Asia, India, Madagascar, Africa, South and Central America. After leaving the tropical tree, I saw this huge 240 centimeter terrarium. In the center, you can see that the falling tree trunk has become a place for monsters to live. Mist was emitted once in a while to maintain the humidity. This foggy landscape was indeed alluring. Next up, I saw a lineup of 120 and 180 centimeter aquariums. The first one was this. Every aspect was perfectly balanced, such as the shadows that redeemed the brightness of the layout, the red colored plants placed with the perfect number in the perfect location, and so on. The selection of fish was outstanding as well. According to the creator, this aquarium is representing the beautiful scenery seen at the mountains in Niigata when spring approaches. The next aquarium was this, a landscape where a huge falling tree trunk is overgrown with big robust plants. Orange colored plants are compensating for the green of the layout. Moreover, the fish tinged with light blue and bright red matches perfectly. According to the creator, he used his favorite types of aquatic plants and his goal was to make the most of their uniqueness. Though the layout was messy at first, as the plants grew, this unartificial design was in turn able to make the layout more nature-like. Next up, I saw this aquarium, a beautiful layout of powerful gray colored stones. I was even able to see a cave in this rock. The contrast between the soft, light green plants and the gray spiky stones is absolutely amazing. The fish seems like they're floating in this beautiful landscape. This aquarium, according to the creator, was based on rocks and caves seen in reef zones. Next, I saw this, a layout created only by Echinodorus. Using Echinodorus in a layout, especially when it comes to using only that, is considered highly difficult due to its size and its lack of color priority. But this one perfectly uses them. They match perfectly with the driftwoods too. I then saw this aquarium, which makes full use of tiger locusts both in the middle and the back. The use of Hygropeana tifida on the driftwoods is amazing as well. According to the creator, this aquarium is trying to show a story where driftwoods get stuck in a rocky area and aquatic plants start growing around them and the place becomes habitat for fish. Next up, I saw this aquarium. This is absolutely beautiful. According to the creator, this aquarium is representing the red leaves seen in autumn. I couldn't say any word when I saw this. The red autumn leaves above the moss-carpeted driftwoods are amazing. I've never seen such a layout. Next, I saw this amazing layout. Though this one is created with only 5 stones, it still seems nature-like. This shows ADA's sophisticated stone layout ability. The fewer the stones, the harder the layout will be. I don't think I can hardly make one like this. According to the creator, he says that the important part of arranging stones is to not think too much, but this technique is definitely hard to achieve. Next, I came across this beautiful green heaven. It's just so beautiful, I can't believe this is created inside a tank. Every time I stare at this landscape, it evokes an emotion I can't explain. I feel myself diving into a deep underwater paradise. According to the creator, he wanted to design an aquarium that does not follow the usual layout traditions. A layout that purely resembles nature. This is a sheer prodigy of nature aquariums. Last but not least, I saw this aquarium. A beautiful aquarium consisting of slim dynamic driftwoods and slim tape-like plants. This refreshing landscape is absolutely amazing. According to the creator, this aquarium's breeziness lets the viewers imagine a waterside in the summer. Okay, so this was the final aquarium in the exhibition. As I moved out, there was a photo spot where you can take a picture like how Amano did in front of the aquarium in Sumida Suzuka. There was also a mini shop showing a 60cm terrarium and aquarium. It was also selling ADA's Nature Aquarium Exhibition's limited goods. By the time I left the dome, the moon was already up in the sky. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video.